Hi everyone. Today's topic is pledge system, which is also known as margin against shares. First, let us understand what is margin against shares. Margin against shares gives you an opportunity to grab and enjoy extensive benefits from your online Demat account. In simple words, margin against shares means taking loans against the shares that you hold in your Demat account. So, a lot of you might have holdings in the form of stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and government securities, but will have limited cash margins, due to which you might lose trading opportunities. So, in such circumstances, you can pledge your securities for collateral margins. The collateral value of these shares is calculated after applying a haircut. Now, what is a haircut and where you can view haircut? A haircut is an overall percentage through which the market value of your pledged shares is diminished for calculating the collateral value. The haircut is available in TradeSmart's margin calculator, and this gives you an information on the amount of haircut for individual stocks. There are almost 1000 plus approved securities which are available for pledging, and this list is decided as per TradeSmart's internal risk policies, and it will be reviewed periodically and updated accordingly. So before you pledge your shares, always pay attention on haircut. Now, where can you use these margins? You can use this margin for cash segments, for futures and options, and for currency derivatives. In case of cash segment, it can be used for equity intraday and for derivatives in futures and options short selling. However, margin against shares will not be available for buying securities in delivery and for buying option contracts. Also, margin against shares is not available for trading in commodity segment. And for futures and options and currency trading, exchanges accept 50% margin in cash and 50% in shares as collateral. The collateral received from you will be given to exchange against margin requirements. So, in case on a particular day the cash margin is less than 50%, a penalty of 0.05% will be charged on debit amount per day, which is called as delayed payment charge (DPC). So, let's see an example. Suppose you have pledged shares worth rupees 1 lakh, and after haircut of 10%, you get rupees 90,000 to trade with, and you make 1 lakh derivatives position. So here you can use 50% from collateral and other 50% needs to be cash. So in case if there is no cash or less cash, then a penalty of 0.05% will be charged on the debit amount, which can be rupees 10,000, 20,000 or any other amount. Let us know how this margin against shares actually works. Simply log in Box. So Box can be logged in through trading apps or by using the link box.tradesmartonline.in through Chrome browser. Click on the menu list, Portfolio, Margin Against Shares. Once you click on Margin Against Shares, you shall see a similar screen where you can check the pledged shares in case if you have pledged them earlier. Now click on Pledge More, select the script and enter the quantity. The haircut and value will be available on same page. Click on Pledge button at the right bottom corner. You will receive OTP and will be redirected to CDSL's margin pledge transaction verification screen, which shall contain your Demat details along with scripts which you wish to pledge. Enter OTP and submit. Now you are done with the process. Once the process is completed, you shall get the collateral benefit on the next trading day. Now, apart from all the previous information, there are few key points to remember for margin against shares. You shall not be allowed to sell the pledged shares. You are required to unpledge first from Box and then you can sell those. The charges for margin against shares: there shall be charges of rupees 15 for pledging and rupees 15 for unpledging plus GST per scrip irrespective of the quantity. For fund transfer made on any trading day, the benefit of cash to collateral shall be given from next trading day only. In case of any corporate action for pledged stocks, the benefits of corporate action will be transferred to the demat account it is in. As per the new pledge system, when shares are pledged, they are just marked as lien in demat account only, and since the shares do not move out of your demat account, you will directly get the corporate benefits such as dividends, right issues, etc. Also, to avail margin against shares facility for your account, you should have online demat account with us. This margin against shares facility is available for trading apps, for desktop and also for web. All the non-authenticated margin pledge transactions will be cancelled at the end of request date. Lastly, you can place pledge request even if you have not updated your POA. Hence, margin against shares is a unique and useful way to utilize your long-term demat account investments. Thank you.